How do I print an email or web page and have it work? This is a problem that has plagued many people for many years. And honestly, it's not a problem that's going to go away anytime soon. The problem fundamentally is that most folks who design websites don't design them to be printed. The assumption is that you'll always be looking at the website content online. If they're going to put energy into it, they'll make sure that it looks better across a wide variety of devices, like both your computer screen and your mobile screen. But printing, well, that's extra work. And it's often extra work that's an afterthought as well. How do I print an email or web page and have it work? Many websites don't expect you to print their contents. As a result, many don't print well. I'll review why that is and the things to try. I'm Leo Notenboom. This is AskLeo.com. The process of printing web pages is more often than not completely broken. When you try to print a page, you get a confusing jumble of parts of the page, advertisements that overlap the text that is there, text that's way too large or too small, and pages and pages and pages and pages of output for a simple single page. And many of my Ask Leo sites are just as guilty as the rest of the web. The good news, for me at least, is that some are not, and I'm slowly switching to technology that should make things better. The bad news for you, however, is that many sites remain broken when it comes to printing. And email, it remains its own special mess. Printing as an afterthought. Most websites must be explicitly designed to print properly. Sometimes it's done by the software used to create the site, but usually there's work required to make it happen, or at least make a specific site's printed result look presentable. Needless to say, many sites don't expect you to print their pages, so they don't go through the trouble. They format their content to be consumed online. Even if that expectation is wrong, when prioritized against other work the site's owners have to do, printing pages cleanly often doesn't make the cut. Sadly, it's not trivial work. Printing and Ask Leo. As I said, I'm guilty. As I write this, some pages on AskLeo.com print poorly, particularly those with embedded video. It takes not just work, but vigilance for printing to work properly. It used to work well on my site, but it's been neglected and fallen into disrepair. As part of a technology upgrade in the background of Ask Leo, I'll be revisiting the site design with printing in mind. Other sites, newsletter.askleo.com and biz.askleo.com, have already been updated and seem to be printing better. How to print without burning through paper. Save as PDF is printing. If you are viewing a web page, I'll discuss email below, type Control-P to print and select the Save as PDF option before you print. PDFs are created by printing through a virtual printer, so all the foibles associated with printing will quickly become apparent. You can save the PDF and browse through it in a PDF viewer, but the preview may tell you everything you need to know about whether that website prints properly or not. If it looks good and you want it on paper, switch the printer to your real printer and print again. If it doesn't look good, decide if it's good enough, or consider alternatives like copy-pasting the content into a word processor and formatting it so that it prints accordingly. Printing and email. Confusion reigns. If you use a downloaded email program installed on your computer, like Microsoft Office's Outlook or Thunderbird, or even the mail program installed in Windows, you're as set as you can be. Most of these programs attempt to do the right thing when printing email and generally succeed. The problem is webmail, which uses your web browser, Edge, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Firefox, and others, to read your email at Outlook.com, Gmail.com, Mail.yahoo.com, and others. The tempting thing to do is to hit Control-P to print the message. Unfortunately, by doing so, you've instructed the browser to print the web page you're looking at and everything you see on it. the message as well as your email program's interface, folders, and any advertisements that may be on the screen. The right thing to do is to look for some kind of a print icon or function, not in your browser, but in your email service. In the case of Outlook.com, there's a print option within either of the ellipses, 3 dots, menus. Click on that and a new window will pop up containing only the email message formatted for printing. Print that using your browser and the result will be only the message. Email alternative, go to the web page. Many emails have a line at the top or at the bottom to the effect of email not looking right. Click here to view it in your browser. In addition, many emails, including most of my own, include links back to the articles they contain on the sender's website. Rather than attempting to print the email, particularly if the results have been poor, click through to the email or article on the website and try printing it from there. This brings us full circle to websites that may or may not have done the work to make sure their pages print properly, but it ensures we've tried all the options to get the best printout we can. For links related to this article or to leave a comment, visit askleo.com/78051. I'm Leo Notenboom. This is AskLeo.com. Thanks for watching.